friends, today we shall be studying upon pressure gauge or gauge pressure and what is absolute pressure and relation between absolute pressure, gauge pressure and atmospheric pressure. Then we will start with gauge pressure. Gauge pressure. What is gauge pressure? From definition we know that the pressure measured from the atmospheric pressure, you get it, I hope. Pressure with respect to the absolute pressure is called gauge pressure. That is, we will learn from the figure what is gauge pressure, what is absolute pressure, and what is atmospheric pressure. When atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the atmosphere. So what is gauge pressure? I drew a curve which shows the absolute pressure to be constant and our atmospheric pressure. This will let atmospheric pressure, it can be anywhere because this is the reference, and with this reference we can find the atmosphere pressure gauge. Atmospheric pressure can be anywhere, it can be air or anywhere. So we take two condition, or we can only take single condition. Then the pressure measured from the atmospheric pressure, it must be measured from atmospheric pressure with respect to absolute pressure. So from here to here is our gauge pressure. Pressure P gauge, this is our pressure gauge, it is the measure. And what is pressure gauge? Is our instrument to measure the gauge pressure. It measures the pressure. Gauge pressure, it is a gauge pressure. If this is a device, then what does it is implemented on a device. Suppose it is any device, that valve or something, then how does it measure the pressure of the system? It measure the pressure of the system except the atmospheric pressure. That is, we get formula of P gauge is P absolute minus P atm. The absolute pressure, what is the absolute pressure of that condition, and the what is atmospheric pressure? The difference gives the pressure gauge, the gauge pressure of the system. Thank you. This much for now. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more of our thermodynamics. Thank you.